How to get free power-ups in Fishdom. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming for Beginners. Today I am going to guide you how to get free power-ups in Fishdom. Getting free power-ups in Fishdom is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Daily rewards. Log in every day to collect daily rewards. Sometimes these include free power-ups like bombs, dynamite or lightning bolts. Complete match 3 levels. Achieve higher score or clear levels in fewer moves to receive power-ups as level completion bonus. Participate in events. Engage in limited time events where you can earn free power-ups by completing specific tasks or challenges. Treasure chest. Look for the treasure chest in the level or on the map. These often contain free power-ups and other bonuses. Tasks and achievements. Complete in-game tasks or achievements to earn reward, which may include power-ups. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can get free power-ups in Fishdom. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.